Hello, my name is Laith, and in today's presentation, I'm going to be talking about James Cameron. In this paper, I focus on the movie director James Francis Cameron. Cameron is a Canadian artist, filmmaker, and director who was born in August 16, 1954. He is best known for making epic films and science fiction for the Hollywood mainstream. Terminator is considered to be the film that gained him recognition and brought him to fame, after which he made more and more renowned movies to current time. He is considered to be one who likes enjoying his solitude and prefers to work alone. Personal time enables him to complement ideas without distractions or instruction from other people's thoughts or ideas. James Cameron started his film career in 1978, with the first artistic work being a science fiction short called Exogenesis. The 1980s and early 2000s are on record to be the peak years in his career, having directed and produced two of the greatest movies of all time, Avatar and Titanic, which to date are considered to be among the biggest movies in worldwide box office. At that time, there was an increase and more focus on technology, innovation, and how this could encrypted into the entertainment world to give consumers a new experience. These motivated and enabled him to produce films such as Avatar, which, according to a report by The Guardian, took 3D film technology to the next level. A number of his other movies also demonstrated how the development in technology influenced his film career. Cameron's artwork can be categorized under contemporary art that was born in the period 1970s to current time. Due to the many developments that have been made during this period, artwork under this period has been categorized into even smaller groups. Cameron's art therefore can be classified under digital art. This this movement has seen the advent of the camera, and various artists can now use the infusion of art and technology to come up with more complex and advanced forms of art, such as videos, film, and advanced sound with the help of mediums such as computers, pixels, and various software in existence. James Cameron approaches art as a form or medium of representation. Through his artwork, he gives a representation of what is usually happening in society. Titanic tries to represent what happened in the Titanic shipwreck, while Avatar tries to represent the technology development in the society. James Cameron directed and summarized a number of films such as Titanic, Avatar, Terminator, Aliens, and The Abyss. Arguably, he can be considered to be one of the best directors who contributed to the growth of science fiction movies. Since his productions, a number of science fiction movies have been produced, 3D quality onwards. Some of his movies include Titanic, Terminator, Avatar. The main function dominant in Cameron's art is art for delight. His films are a good source of pleasure, enjoyment, and amusement. This is one of the reasons why his films have been able to rank in the top ratings and even maintain this for a long period of time. The incredible entertainment value in Cameron's art has seen him evade a big deal of criticism. Some of his films, such as Avatar, however, have faced serious criticisms over the excessive focus on technology and ignoring the storytelling and cinematography elements of a film. I, however, disagree with this criticism entirely. I think Cameron's films do excellent storytelling and everything is put together to produce some incredible work of art. Thank you.